Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to talk to you about one product that we all love around the world, including Serbian people. Serbian people love yogurt. We have many different kinds of pies with meat, with cheese, with mushrooms that we eat with yogurt. But of course, you can just drink or eat yogurt on its own. The one that is most famous in the bakery normally is called Moja Kravica or My Cow. This is the most popular one amongst children as well. It's very tasty, very nice. We drink this one. Then the next one is called Balance. It's a very healthy product, very good quality. It's also drinkable. And this is our replica of the Greek yogurt. This is like a Greek type of yogurt. We eat this one with the spoon. These ones are plain yogurt because I love plain yogurt. However, you can buy the strawberry one and whatever else. There are so many different kinds of yogurts. I just wanted to show you the three main brands. Or one of the three most popular ones. According to me, this one has the longest tradition. So definitely, if you want to try something Serbian, this is it. Although others are Serbian products as well. This is what we love to eat in the morning. So normally in the morning, Serbian children go to the bakery and they order some of the bakery products with yogurt if they are salty. If they are sweet, with Nutella or some strawberry jam or something similar, then obviously we don't eat that with yogurt. So this is my advice to you. Try Serbian yogurt when you come here. Many people like Greek yogurt. Many people like Bulgarian yogurt. Many people like American yogurt. But I advise you to try also Serbian yogurt. It's very nice and healthy. So now I'm going to say all of this in Serbian so that people from my country can understand me. Dobar dan svima, u ovom videu govorimo o jogurtu. Srbi mnogo vole da jedu jogurt, naročito nakon odlaska u pekaru, tamo jedemo razne bureke ili pite sa sirom, mesom, pečurkama i tako dalje. Uglavnom uz jogurt, ali naravno može da se pije i samo jogurt bez ičega ili uz hleb i tako dalje. Neke jogurte pijemo, neke jedemo kašikom. Rekla sam da ovaj jogurt se pije, ima najdužu tradiciju, deca ga najviše vole. Moja kravica, postoji naravno i ovaj jogurt koji je odličnog kvaliteta, on se isto pije. I postoji neka replika ili što biste rekli imitacija grčkog jogurta, iako je ovo srpski proizvod, znači ovo je grčki tip jogurta koji se jede kašikom. Naravno, ovo su obični jogurti bez ikakvih dodataka, ali imamo razne ukuse, znači i sa jagodom i s ovim i s onim. Znači u radnjama imaju čitave police sa raznim jogurtima, ali da kažem ovo su tri koje smatram da bi ljudi koji dođu u Srbiju definitivno trebali da probaju. Poznati su u svetu i grčki jogurt i bugarski, i američki i tako dalje, ali ja smatram da bi ljudi trebali da probaju i naš srpski jogurt. Eto, to bi bilo sve za danas. Ovo vam je jedna tema koju svi ljudi u svetu vole da pričaju o tome, tako da ako vas neki stranac bude pitao da nešto malo proćeskate, znate neke osnovne reči vezano za to. Vidimo se uskoro, hvala, prijatan dan vam želim.